In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit, remove, and delete station styles. Remember, station styles are the highlighted color over your station names. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions in order to do this. Then choose Organization. Next, go to your new top menu bar and select Custom. From the drop-down menu, choose Style. You should now arrive at a list of your station styles. To edit a style, select that style's name. I'm going to choose green. This is the settings for your green style. If I wanted, I could change the style name. Maybe I'm going to change this to a light green, so I'll put light green. I could also change the color of the highlight and the font. So maybe I do still want this to be bolded and not italic, but I want this to be a light green highlight. So I'm going to click this arrow next to back color and choose a light green highlight. I'm also going to change the text color so it's easier to see. So I'll click this arrow and I'm going to choose black. I'll also change the link text color here. Maybe we'll do a dark purple. If I wanted, I could change the override bold or italic for that link, but I'm going to leave that alone. I could also add a prefix or postfix or change those if those had already been there. I'm going to leave that alone for now. If you're happy with your edits, click Save. A green save bar will appear next to the Save button, letting you know when you last saved this page. Now those edits have gone into effect. To view your edits or to assign this style to a station, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Then choose Stations. As you can see, Cashier is currently highlighted in green. That is a station that is using the style we have selected. If I wanted, I could add that style to more than one station. All I have to do is click on the station name and change the style. But let's say I just don't like this style at all anymore and I want to get rid of it. Before you can delete a style, you have to make sure it's not currently being used. So I'm going to click on Cashier and change the style. If I click the arrow next to light green, I could choose a different style if I wanted, or I could choose to not have a style by selecting a style. That basically turns your styles off. If you're happy with your change, click Save. Again, a green save bar will appear letting you know when you last saved this page. Now if I go back to Stations, you'll see Cashier is no longer highlighted in green. And if I quickly scan all of my stations, I can see none of them are green, which means I can now delete that style. So to do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork, then select Organization. Next, go to your new top menu bar and choose Custom. From the drop-down menu, select Style. Again, you will arrive at a list of your styles. Select the style you would like to delete. In this case, I'm going to choose light green. To delete this style, go to the bottom right-hand corner and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this style. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to select OK. And now that style has been deleted. That's how you can edit, remove, and delete station styles in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.